Right? Everywhere. They not give the permission to talk with anyone. I say, Bhaiya, why you come? If you not, he is older than me on 1 year only. And we grow together. We play together. But last many years, I don't know where he is. He was mute. He say, I am working in such place, I cannot talk to anyone. And what I am working, I can. That's why. Listen, when he came in the city, my birthplace is Farrukhabad in Uttar Pradesh, is 600 kilometers from here. There is my own place, my family place, and there is his place also. So, district collector, don't know who is coming. Member of parliament is living there in another street. He don't know who's coming. Police don't know who's coming. But 5-6 days before, many dogs, many guards come and they catch all the city. All the city. And they says only someone is coming. Who is coming? They not tell. When he reach and ask, not permission, just for 1 day and 1 night he stayed there. All the time just like a jam, everything. Understand? So then after he goes, if somebody asks to the administration what is happening, I don't know. From the America some VIP is coming, I think. Because the social security, they check every corner, everywhere, and put the machines and gazettes and everywhere, check. American and Indian army was there. After 1 day, 1 night, when he will go, then entire city take the breath like this, oh my God. Then after, nobody knows where he is. So these are the some places. Kim Jong-un, his grandfather, was searching. His name is Shangri-La, not Shambhala. And then after China start to searching Shambhala. And they say this is the same name. And Buddha also goes. Where Buddha goes? Nobody knows. Enter in Tibet, then after, nobody knows. First monastery Buddha makes in Lhasa. You hear the name Lhasa in Tibet? Lhasa is the first monastery. And he goes there. Who shows the path? They say Shankaracharya shows the path. Cannot be understand about that anything what is there, who they are. So Mahavatar Babaji belongs there. Lahiri Maharaj what not a yogi, but is a enlightened soul. He not practice asana, pranayama, meditation. No, the big belly, but he very good practitioner of meditation. Look on the nose all the time. He was the student of the Mahavatar Babaji. He gives this experience, is this siddhi, in one time, 1,000 place you can be present physically. People feel you, people talk you, you will do everything. But you was or not, you cannot say. Understand? Lahiri Maharaj can be available many places in one time, same time. Here, there. Many people get confused. After that, he start to live. And he was waiting. When Yogananda meet him, then he teach the Kriya Yoga to Yogananda. What is that Kriya Yoga? That is 3 niyama. Tapa, Swadhyaya, Ishvara, Pranidhana. Only be grounded, do the tapa, force your limit, and study the self and study of the spiritual scriptures. After that, yama and niyama. Finish. Third limb come asana. It's clear? What is asana? Just I ask. What is asana? What you feel that is asana? Anyone can give little light on the asana? Is a posture. Clear? Is a pose. According to Hatha Yoga, number of asana this is the number of asana according to Hatha Yoga. This is the number of species of the creatures. Clear? Means every creature have one pose. Later what happened? Many masters came, they removed the 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now what you are practicing? 84 postures and variations. Yes or not? Now what you are practicing in posture? These 84 postures. Cat pose, dog pose, cow pose, pigeon pose, this pose, that pose. You are all the creatures' name are coming there. Species name are lion pose, tiger pose. They are coming in that in scriptures. That is only the variations of these 84 asana. It's clear? Every day you are practicing. My question comes: how long you will be practice? When you was little, I give you some balls to learn the countings 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? How long you will play with these balls? Whole life?
Till you can count.
When you will be learned, after that, you will throw that. You will not use more. If right now I give you same toys to learn ABC or 1, 2, 3, then what you will do? You will laugh on me. It's clear? So what are the? You are practicing asana 84 variations every day. How long? Whole life. Asana means yoga. I am doing yoga. What you are doing? Asana I am doing. Clear? This is physical practice. Asana is a physical practice. What Master Patanjali says about asana? What is asana? Is sthiram, sukham, asanam. That is asana. Sthiram means steadiness. Sukham means comfortable. Asanam means sitting pose. You have steadiness in your posture. How long? Master says that is 3 hours 45 minutes is the target of asana. Sitting steady, comfortable in one pose. Then you will be reached in deeper and finer state of your meditation. You will be able to meet with yourself just by the asana. If I request to anyone, see the asana, lay down, lay down, lay down, lay down. This is the position of asana, na? Practitioners of the postures, 84 and variations. But no steady pose. Yes or not? Tell me. You can sit in one posture in 1 hour with me? No. Why? Master demands 3 hours 45 minutes because in 3 hours 30 minutes entire cosmos will be changed. Energy will be changed. Everything will be changed. Clear? Only one thing should be not changed. That is your position. Clear? Where is steadiness, stability? If I say you sit 1 hour without moving, just watch your breath. Don't do anything. Can you sit? Oh no, I cannot sit. I had too much pain here. After 10 minutes, you will be change your position. You start to use the prop somewhere. Why? Because unsteadiness in your physical body. It's clear? Instability in our physical body. That's why I cannot be stable in any pose. It's clear? Open. More than 500-year-old. Anybody have the mobile? Yes. Open. 500-year-old mummy. Lahaul Spiti. Lahaul Spiti. This is the valley. Lahaul Spiti. In Himachal Pradesh, this is Himalaya, yes. 500-year-old mummy. You saw? In this posture. In this posture. You can see this pose? Yes or not? That is.
There's lots of mummies here.
Huh?
Lots of mummies. Oh yeah, I see it.
Lahaul Spiti. There is only one mummy, my dear. Nobody knows he is Buddhist monk or he is Hindu monk, what he is doing, but this posture, this says Hindu. Clear? Who found there? Army peoples was making the road. That is the highest road.
In Spiti Valley, or to Spiti Valley.
I write the name of that village, Lahaul Spiti, in Spiti Valley. And what happened there? The army gets the body when the blast they did. They found their body, and immediately army get this. What is happening there? Only some blood with. He saw some blood. Then after they put and informed to his officers, and eyes goes inside. But some person have the experience. The body is okay in which condition, but his consciousness is there. Many people goes there to do the meditation, then they feel the vibrations there. Then they can talk with that. Means he is continuously alive. Because hairs and blood. No symptom of the life anywhere. So that's why cannot say. If you read more about it, Lahaul Spiti, some says 700-year-old, some says modern science, carbon dating they did. Then after they says 500, more than 500 old this body. Hairs are growing and blood is there. What are the mystery? Nobody knows. Clear? But that Lahaul Spiti, if you have any time in your life, if you will make the plan to visit there, you can saw there. And three times I was there. 3 times I sit with that mummy. Then army masters, army doctors come, and the scientists come. Then they think maybe he is in very deep, he is in samadhi. So you put. Then after they put in the samadhi, in coffin. Then after the army makes the temple there. So he is sitting in continuously. And he is looking, eyes is open. One eye is, when I saw, one eye was just inside and other eye was looking. It's clear. And the full body is like a stone. They put one coffin, like one glass. Then everyone can see only. Understand? What is this mystery? I gave you everything what I know about that. Okay? But what is that? I don't know. How long he is sitting? Nobody knows. Yes, there was some ancient monastery. That's why they say this is a monk, belongs to the Buddhism. But the monastery is far away and the fount far away. Before that was, now this is the, when the road was making, that is the border of Indo-Tibet. Now is Indo-China. Is clear? On that border. So some says from Tibet, some says from India, some says monk, Hindu monk, some says I don't know. But the asana is looking that is Hindu. It's clear? Very old age. When this all finish, when this all comes, then this is very easy. Yes. Many hours can sit. Understand? What is the purpose of asana? To achieve the meditative pose. Masters talks about 5 meditative pose. One is Padmasana or Siddhasana or Swastik asana or Vajrasana or Sukhasana. Master says I need only 90 days to give the steadiness. Only 3 months, 12 weeks. You are practicing last 1 year, 2 years. What you achieve? Nothing. Steadiness, stability should be in the posture. Can be sit 3 hours 45 minutes in one posture. Either Padmasana. This is clear. This is Padmasana. Either Siddhasana, left heel goes in perineum and right goes on the mouth of genital. This one line. And then make this chest up. Chest. The snake. Understand? Your spine should be standing snake. Then you sit. And what you do? Look the nose and look the breathing. No need to do anything. 3 hours, 45 minutes. Everything is changing, but your posture should not be changed. Swastikasana. Yes. I am crazy about asana. Understand? Okay. I have no pain now, right now. Nothing. I can do anything. Yes, after the class, I have the pain there. So, this is Swastikasana. Means you lock your both toes and by the sole feet press the hamstring, then more room there. And you sit. How I can check? I can check this is lock or not. Understand? Lock means Swastikasana. Then after Vajrasana, yes, Islamic people have this 5 times a day. They are doing this asana and pray and doing the yoga mudra. It's clear? This is Vajrasana. And last one, Sukhasana. Comfortable sitting posture. How you feel comfort? I feel comfort in this pose. I feel comfort in this pose. I feel comfort in this pose. You feel comfort on the chair, anywhere with the support of ball. Comfort is the first. It's clear? First requirement is comfort. And second requirement is not change. It's clear? Unchanged position. How long? 3 hours 45 minutes. So check. That is your destination. When you will reach on that point, no need to be asana. Clear? Instability in our physical body. Rasa, Rakta, Mas, Med, Sapt, Majja, Saptam, Shukra. Asti, Majja, Saptam, Shukra. 7 major tissue making this body. And by this body, I am doing posture, and that is unsteady, that is unstable. After 5 minutes, I am changing. Pain is there. Why? Weakness. Understand? Weakness in the tendon, in the ligament, in the joint, in the bones, in the muscles, anywhere. It's clear? That's why you are practicing 84 asana with variations to make strong your physical body. And that physical body makes strong for what? For this steadiness. It's clear? That is the meaning of asana, my dear. People stand here practicing asana, not get anything. I ask, I say, can you sit with me 1 hour? No. It means they have something different understanding. Understand? They are just, okay, I am not interested to hurt my body and joints 2 hours morning, 2 hours in evening every day. Like you know, I did. I crossed that level so many years back. Then just for my flexibility and for my health, what? Only 4 or 5 rounds of sun salutation, not every day. Once, twice in a week. And then Savasana. Okay. And then these postures. Any? Padmasana, Siddhasana. It's clear? Not meaning of asana means every day 20 posture, 30 posture, 40 posture I should do in morning and evening. Is clear? That is the meaning of asana is here. Asana is Sthiram, Sukham, Asana. When you will get mastery, about the mastery, tomorrow I will tell you little bit about the asana. I think everything is clear. Your ideology is changed about your asana or not. You sit in your room, you check how much stability, any posture, comfortably sit, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, clear? You check the stability. That stability is not in your physical posture. That stability is in your body, in your 7 tissues. Ras, Rakta, blood, muscles, fat, bones, bone marrow, quality, quantity, and motility of your sperm and ovum. It's clear? That is 7 tissues. That is your physical body, na? And that body is unstable. How can be the stable in any posture? No. So this is first symbol. It's clear? When we get mastery, then what will happen? Tomorrow we will talk about it. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
आ जा यार,
चाबी चाहिए गुरुजी।
मैं चल रहा हूँ, उसको ले जा रहे हो
हाँ हाँ वो 10
क्या यार, ये तुमने